coming up. See, that's how you get put in videos.
Fuck me! Are you pushing against me?
We're not even pushing. Come on.
Are you stopping it really?
No! There's nothing under here.
It's 9mm for the love of God. Look at his feet. Look at his feet.
We're gonna lose it.
At least you're practicing what you suck at.
That's funny, Basil. That's some funny shit.
Goes back to where it was.
Alright. Alright, we got it.
He's not good at this. He's just not good.
Show them the problem.
You put the forks on.
The forks are too long.
Or you went in too far.
Yeah, that's what your wife said the other day.
Hear that,
Oh,
Stacy?
don't cut that shit out. That was funny.
Yeah. She's gonna whoop your ass. She's gonna walk in and be like, who said it?
I'm out of it. Hey, you know what you can do with these? I don't know if it'll work. You can do it with the little ones.
It'll work.
Did it hurt you there or not? No.
Try it again, just make sure. Why do we have all these giant fans?
Alright, so they're putting in a new business next door, Climbing Cafe. It's gonna be badass, by the way. And they did this epoxy stuff on the floors. Doesn't smell the best. So they were kind enough to bring us over these giant fans to help take all the smells out.
Yeah, we got one back there.
However, no one has ever offered to bring in the big fans to get out that smell. Never be too safe. We've got our hard hats. We're ready to go. I'm going to drive that big ass crane here in just a little bit. See how I do.
You're like a child, Steve. Howdy ho, good neighbor.
That was good. The best part was that you could see you the whole way, just right at the edge of the screen.
Alex really wants to come over here.
Yeah, because he wants to be in it.
Yeah.
Then stop coming over
Alex,
here.
go away. I get stage fright.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi. thank you for watching this wonderful second installment of This Week at Top Guns. I like that some of you are liking this, and it actually getting some enjoyment out of it, so hope that stuff that's kind of funny still continues to happen. And if it doesn't happen, then we'll try and make it happen. Like making fun of Alec, because he's really easy to make fun of. But not because of his weight or anything, because we're not discriminatory. Also, to the person who said I should have had a tier, that's a really good idea, so I'm going to try and do it now instead. Friends, tears in my... Thanks for watching. That's it. You can go now.